On behalf of ExpertVillage, this is Paul Lewis, and today I'm going to give you some basic iClone Machinima filmmaking tips and techniques. So she's just kind of listening while he's doing all the talking. Let me double click on Dr. Dribble over here and again pivot him around a little more because I noticed that when he walked up to her he wasn't exactly in the position I wanted him. I go up to facial animation, modify, template. I'm going to click on my default dialogue again just to show you his mouth moving, and I'll leave the sound down because again I don't want to give away the dialogue right now. I'll show you all that at the end. Alright, so I'll find the facial expression for him as well. I think I'll just use the cute facial expression, give him more of a bright appearance when he looks up at her. That's kind of the way I want my two-shot to be, but you know what? I think I want to go to Tools and Motion and slow down his motion by going to Modify, and I could bring this down a little bit, the motion speed, and when I play it back now he's walking a little slower than before because I want the scene to stop when he's looking up at her right before he turns away. I don't want to see him turn away. I want his focus to be on her. So let me move this over a little bit because I want to get a two-shot where he's kind of in the center of the screen after his final movement. And then right about there, right before that head turn is where I want to stop it. So I'm going to pause it right before he turns his head. Right about there.